alternative for today. So martabak has two versions. You have the savory version and the sweet version. For today's dish, we're going to be doing the sweet version, which is called martabak manis. And you can top it with pretty much anything you want. So the traditional version, you will be topping it with cheese, butter, and chocolate rice. For the ingredients, we have 200 grams of flour, salt, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of baking soda, we have vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of yeast, and 250 grams of butter. And these are the toppings which I have mentioned earlier: butter, cheese, and chocolate. The first step is to crack your egg into a bowl. And then you're going to mix together your egg, your sugar, your baking soda, and then your half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, as well as a little bit of salt. Okay, once you have done that, you're going to mix together all the ingredients before adding in your flour, your yeast, and your water in increments. So you're going to mix it really well because you're trying to avoid as many lumps as possible. And once that's done, you're just going to scrape the sides. Make sure you get all the sides to make it clean. And then you're going to let this batter rest for about 40 to 45 minutes, covered with a cling wrap or a damp cloth. So we're going to need a non-stick pan, and you're going to heat it up just for a little bit. Since the pan is non-stick, you're not going to need butter for this, but if you want to be safe, you can of course brush some butter on the pan. And once your pan is heated, and you're going to pour your batter inside. Once you have poured batter into the pan, you're going to want to scrape up to the side a little bit, as I will show you as I make my way around. The reason for you to do this is because you're going to want to make a thin, crispy crust, which basically frames your filling. So you're just going to lift it up a little bit like that, all the way around. And then we're just going to let it cook until you can see the bubbles start forming. It's like a pancake. If you've made a pancake, it's going to form bubbles like this. That's going to be the yeast and the baking soda reacting. So we have now moved it from the pan to a wooden chopping board, and we're going to start putting up the toppings. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to just slather on as much butter as you want. Okay, so here. If you ever go to a martabak hawker, you're going to see that they're going to put way more than I am. You can put even more. Some people even put like condensed milk on it as well. So now we're going to put in the cheese. We're going to cut it in half, and we're going to fold it how it's supposed to be. So that's just. So after you've put all the toppings, you can just cut it up, move it to a plate, put on more toppings, and that's it. Done.